Hello cat, welcome back. Learn small letter English alphabet. A for alligator. B for bear. C for cat. A B C. A B C. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. D E F. D E F. G for giraffe. H for horse. I for ice cream. G H I. G H I. J for jaguar. K for kangaroo. L for lion. J K L. J K L. M for monkey. N for nurse. O for ostrich. M N O. M N O. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. P Q R. S for swan. T for tiger. U for unicorn. S T U. S T U. V for vulture. W for whale. X for X-ray. V W X. V W X. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Y Z. Y Z.